Hi guys, Rod here, and this is my channel Simply Gapi. It's been 2 months since I uploaded my last video, but for now I just want to give you updates on what's going on in my fish room and my mini backyard fish farm, and I'll also show you some of my dogs in the kennel. Also, before anything else, shout out to the following persons, the following hobbyists who turned their hobbies into business, just like me. Shout out to Bricks of Fish Shop and J Mark of JH Aqua Pond, Kyla of Aqua Blooms, and Kate of SC Tropical Fish. So I hope that you guys will give inspiration to more hobbyists. So more power to you, and God bless you all. So let's go, guys. So right now, guys, I reduced the number of aquariums here in my fish room, so I brought most of them in the other house. Actually set them up semi outdoors, so a lot of them I placed a lot of the tanks in our old kennel. So right now there's still a few fish here, so I'll just show you. So right now you're looking at my breeder angelfish here. So this is a pair of panda angelfish, and this is a pair of smoky angelfish. So, and then this is my big tank. So right now there's only a few fish here. I got hibiscus here and some Romulus tetra. I have alligator and panda corridora. There's an apple snail, and somewhere in here I'm sure they're just hiding, but I also have here clown roach. Oh, there's the clown roach. And here, guys, is my pair of discus. I'm hoping they're male and female. So, and here are some of my young angelfish. So these are from my breeders. So a lot of them are from my pair of smoky angelfish, and there's a few blushing here. See right here, and this one is a blushing. Oh, here's another one. So, and here I have smaller angelfish fry, and later I'm gonna put maybe a small plant here in this aquarium. And speaking about plants, later I'm gonna show you also when I go to our mini backyard farm. I'll show you how I'm gonna make a pond for some aquatic plants. And also I'd like to show you some of my dogs in our kennel. So let's go, guys. So right now, guys, we're here inside our kennel, and I'm gonna show you some of my Huskies here. So this one is Akira. She's a female husky. So, hi Akira. And another female husky here from Thailand. She is Kiara. Hello Kiara. And this one is a male husky. His name is Sky. His father is from Thailand. Very big dog. And we have an agouti husky here. This is Cronus. His father is from US and his mother is from Thailand. So he is an island-born agouti husky. So by the way, we have other dogs. So we have like 3 Shih Tzus here in this house. Actually 2 of them are outside, and we have 1 Corgi, and we still have other Shih Tzus in the other house. So we have a total of I think 14 dogs right now and 4 Shih Tzu puppies. So that's it about my dogs, and in my next or in my future vlogs I'm gonna show you some updates about our dogs. And now we're going to check the mini backyard fish farm. Say bye bye Cronus for now. Guys, we're here now in our mini backyard fish farm. I'm gonna show you some of the fish that we have here. Let's go. So here guys, we have a pair of marble, and I think the other one is golden marble angelfish. We have some tetras here. These are some bluegrass guppies, red lace guppies. These are I think I have few male guppies here inside this tank. These are AFRs. I have a pair of blue polar parrot cichlid here and fry. These are some of their bigger fry. And here we have some guppies, bettas, shrimps, assassin snails. These apple snails are bound to the pet shop. Now let's go to the back. Okay, so here guys, we have some juvenile flower horns. Here's another pair of angelfish. This is a marble and silver. This pair is koi angelfish and I think half black or smoky angelfish. Here we have our betta fish. These are from our own breeders. So here we have some kois, platinum kois, and small butterfly kois. I have a pair of koi angelfish here, a pair of silver angelfish. I think we have few angelfish fry here, and then here's another pair of angelfish. This is panda and half black angelfish. jumbo ear beta. And then this is one of my favorite beta. And we have a lot of new beta fry here, guys. And the parents are both Galaxy koi betas. And here we have a silver arowana. I think I have some angelfish fry there from the silver. And this, I'm hoping that this is a pair of a Bulgarian seal point angelfish. I have a female flower horn here. She laid eggs twice already, and a male flower horn here. So, but he's still young. So I'll let him get more matured before I pair him off with this female. Here we have some Ukraine goldfish. Here's another pair, angelfish, and here I have a pair of electric yellow cichlid. In this tub we have more butterfly koi. And here I have red eye balloon mollies here, which I'm gonna use as breeders. It's dark. Okay, before we go to the backyard, I just want to show you what I have upstairs in my 75-gallon tank. So I have here rainbow silver arowana and tinfoil and silver dollar and the parrotfish and the pleco. So let's go to the back. So here we have, of course, pigeons. This aquarium here is now empty. It used to have koi, and we have another pair of pigeon there. These ponds we have different kinds of mollies. So these are black mollies, and here we have some breeder orandas, some mollies. On this side we have some pearl scale and some more orandas. And here we have some more orandas. On the other side, we have again different kinds of mollies. We have silver mollies, we have pineapple mollies, and some marble mollies. In those other ponds, we still have different kinds of mollies and some platies and some local goldfish. Um, Now let's go look at the other Here we have a few red platy. Let's go look at the big pond where we have some aquatic plants. Okay, so here in this pond we have different kinds of mollies and platies, and I think I have some swordtails here, and we have a lot of aquatic plants here, especially guppy grass. And that's a bird's nest in the middle of the pond. So what else do we have here? Oh, we have um, bananas here. Bananas, avocado tree. Now let's go to the front. We're now going to the front yard. Okay, so guys, that's where I'm gonna plant some aquatic plants. So that metal frame right there, I'm gonna put a canvas like this material and turn it to a pond, or what we call here in the Philippines a pond. So this is part of our front yard. So see, we have some grapes here, guys. So I haven't tried them, but I don't know if they're sweet. So this pond is where we have assorted guppies, and see we have a big turtle there. And then here in this pond is where we have our balloon mollies, the breeder balloon mollies, and also we have a lot of apple snails here. Okay, so later I'm gonna show you how we will turn this to a pond for aquatic plants. Okay guys, now I'm going to start building the pond. I'm just gonna put this GoPro on time-lapse mode. So today guys, I'm going to continue adding garden soil. I'm gonna add one more bag of garden soil to our pond, and later I'm gonna put water, and then finally put the aquatic plants. Okay guys, so now I already put water in the pond. I did not put a lot of water. I'm gonna try not to fully submerge the plants and see what happens. For the plants that I'm going to use, I have here some cheap aquatic plants that I'm going to try to propagate. This is stricta, and this is Ludwigi red, and this is rotala. I have a lot of this, I think, in the other pond, but for now I'm just gonna try this and see what happens. Of course, I'm gonna give you an update in my upcoming videos, and hopefully I can get some hardy plants too, like Java fern and anubias, and I'm gonna make a video again once I get those. So there you go, guys. That's our aquatic plant now in the pond. So every day I'm gonna check it, and in my next videos I'm gonna give you update about these aquatic plants. So for now, that's it, guys. So guys, there's our pond now with our aquatic plants, and subscribe to my channel Simply Gapi so that you'll get updates on my next videos. So until then, you all be safe, guys.